How to use Fenwick's foaming chain cleaner, chain cleaning sponge and gear cleaning brush. Shake the foaming chain cleaning can well before use. Align the chain to the center cog so it can be easily rotated backwards without derailing. Rotate pedals backwards and apply foam direct to the chain by gently pressing the nozzle. Stop when the foam covers the entire length of the chain. Apply a small amount of fingers, rotate pedals backwards and apply to rear cassette. Allow foam to soak in for a few minutes. Once the foam has turned to liquid, take the chain cleaning sponge and slot onto chain. Hold onto sponge and once again rotate the chain backwards for up to 20 seconds. Take the gear cleaning brush and thoroughly brush the cassette, jockey wheels and chain rings. Thoroughly rinse gears, chain and chain set with water. Dry off using a cloth or allow to dry before applying lube. The chain cleaning sponge and gear cleaning brush will clean up nicely by simply washing them. Great rides start and end with Fenwick's.